Let's go over some monster trucks I just recently picked up at Target, Walmart, and eBay.
What is all this stuff?
I don't know. Looks like a bunch of monster trucks.
I see one thing I really am interested in. Oh yeah.
Good old Batman and the Stormtrooper are always on top of things. We got a lot of trucks to go over, so let's get started. And the first truck I want to go over is this Max D Hot Wheels Monster Jam. Card is spectacular. The truck is spectacular as well. I mean, look at this truck. Silver wheels, got the gold outline, silver undercarriage. Look at the body on this truck. Just a really beautiful Max Destruction. I don't think I'm gonna open it. I think I'll leave it up there for a display, but really a cool monster truck. And of course, the one Batman was super excited about is this 124 monster truck, and of course, it's Batman. I'm looking forward to opening this up. I've recently been increasing my collection of 124s. I just really love them. They're really cool trucks. Got that jetpack back there. Just a gorgeous truck, glossy black with that Batman logo. I know Batman's excited to try to drive this. And my other 124 pickup is this Wolf's Head. I love the 164 version, and why not get the 124 version? I saw it at a Target, which I think I showed you on a video. And of course, I gotta make this noise. Yeah, so excited to have another 124 truck. Wolf's Head, cool monster truck. All right, let's go over the Walmart bag first. Here we go. The first one up is Shaker with the Wheelie Bar. Brand new 2021 Monster Jam Spin Master. Just really a really neat monster truck, and I was very excited to find them. And the next truck is this 2021 Gravedigger, 30th anniversary. I was super excited to find this one. I know it's not super rare, but really excited to pick it up. I love the green undercarriage and the purple wheels. And of course, look at that deco on it. Just awesome stuff. Doesn't want to focus very well, but has that wheelie bar back there. Looking forward to racing it. And the next truck up, we have this Gears Galaxy son-uva Digger. And I love the white. And the tires are really cool. They remind me of the Orlando 2020 wheels. Look at that. Almost identical. Really a cool casting. All right, next up, we have this Monster Jam Gears and Galaxy Zombie. Just a really cool monster truck. I really like all the dark colors on it. And of course, I have to do this. But I really like the truck. You never go wrong with Zombie with those movable arms. I love the deep purple colors. Really glad to have it. And the next truck, we have this Earthshaker Gears and Galaxy. Another really cool one. I'm looking forward to racing. Has a dump truck full of stuff, gold wheels, white tires. And of course, I like that tread color. And the next truck up, we have this Earthshaker Monster Jam Chase Edition. It's the ride version. Pretty excited to see this one. I have a shorts video showing when I picked it up. I was pretty happy. And the final truck from Walmart that I picked up is the Gears and Galaxies Pirate's Curse. And again, I love that deep purple color and just a gorgeous truck. So glad to have another Pirate's Curse. And the first trucks from Target, Monster Jam, Gravedigger, Calavera. Both color changers, really awesome trucks. I love it. You put warm water on them, they turn clean, but right now they're dirty, so they look really cool. Looking forward to racing these. And the next truck up, we have Monster Jam Whiplash. Really, I love the aqua blue color. And just kind of consistent across the whole truck, which kind of makes it stand out. And just a really cool monster truck. And of course, the Target exclusive trucks is this Breaking World Records. But we have the Soldier Fortune. Awesome truck, really glad to have one of these. I traveled about 2 hours away to find these trucks. So I also picked up the Toro Loco Breaking World Records. Love the colors. Look at that, how bright and awesome he is. Will be cool to watch him go down the track. Next up, now, I was extremely excited to find one of these in the stores. I mean, I did not expect to find a free bird. I actually bought one before, but it was on eBay. I just really like the casting, so pretty excited to have this one in the collection that I can open up. And it sure does look an awful lot like this free bird because it is the same casting. To have another one of these, I mean, this one I really cherish. I keep it up on the top. It's a limited edition that I did an unboxing video on previously, but just a beautiful truck. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Here we go, next truck. All right, and the last bag to go over, I got another 2-pack, and it's Racing Stripes and son-uva Digger. Always very happy to find any of these horsepowers or Racing Stripes. Always a major threat going down the track, so Super pumped about this. I'll take a color changer all day. We have another breaking world records. Brodozer. Really was a quick truck in my last King of the Hill. I'll put the link above. Really glad to have another one. We'll open it up with the next King of the Hill. I finally found a Kraken. Really excited to find one. I've had no luck at our Walmart here, but that is awesome. It has the wheelie bar and it's got that cool looking octopus on it. Really a neat truck, and I'm looking forward to racing it. It feels nice and heavy. All right, next truck. And the final truck, we have this Monster Jam Zombie breaking world record. It never gets old picking up a zombie. Awesome stuff. One more time. And that completes it. And there you have it. 21 brand new monster trucks I recently picked up at Target, Walmart, and that Max D and Batman I picked up from eBay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like monster truck racing and unboxing, consider hitting your subscribe button. Check out some of my monster truck short videos and check out my most recent King of the Hill. It's a really great race. And before I go, I want to thank everybody for coming on, but Batman wants to say one more thing.
I just want to know, when are we going to open this truck? Take care, everybody.